nobody tell me nothing. Ugh. Can't tell me nothing. So let's get this guitar tuned up. It's Oz here at Ozzy's Music Academy. I'm coming to you with a how to tune your guitar for beginners tutorial. As you can see, I have my snark tuner clipped on. I got a camera locked in on that, and we're gonna run you through how to tune up a guitar. The notes of the musical alphabet start with E, then it goes up to F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, and E. Now, as you move through that, your tuner is going to tell you what note your guitar is playing. We have 6 strings, we have 6 notes. I'm going to start with our thickest string, which should be towards your nose, typically if you're playing with your right hand. It's your thickest metal string. I know some of us have nylon strings, the plastic type strings. The plastic strings will be towards our toes. That's where we start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to start with our 6th string, closest to our nose, the thickest string. That's our E string. After E is A, D, G, B, and E. Now this is going to be tough to memorize at first, but there's a simple pattern that a lot of musicians use, and it is Eddie, 8, Dynamite, EAD, and then it's Goodbye, GB, Eddie, E. And the last E was usually used in lowercase when you're looking at guitar notation, just as a heads up. So we're going to start with E. Now, usually you can go a half a turn with your tuner, and that'll get you, so here's a half a turn, let me see. Your hand's here, and it goes to there. That's going to make the string move one way or another. So let's see what happens with the half turn. Bow. So it went boo, which means it went lower, and as you can see on the tuner, it's showing D sharp right now, and it's almost right on D sharp. So what we need to do is we need to make it go up higher, boop, up to an E. So I'm going to turn it, that half turn. And as you can see already, it's getting close to an E now. It's not quite up to E. It needs to be straight up and down on the green part. And this is for Eddie. We need to go there. So there's our E. Now sometimes it may be too high. You might say like an F or an F sharp. So we need to turn it the other way. Usually if you go a half turn, that's the best way to do it so you can get a noticeable difference. Back down. Good, so there's our E, quite there, there it is, settled in. Eddie, 8, so 8 is our next one. This is gonna be our 5th string, second one down from our nose. This is the second thickest metal string. What do we got? Oh, it's just a little high, so as you can see, it's going to the right side of the straight up and down. So we need to lower this one, so it goes, boo. We need to make it go lower. So let's figure out what it is. Okay, I ended up at A. Now, if I would have turned it the other way from that A, it'll go up to A sharp because A sharp is whoop, higher. So check it out. There's A sharp. So we need to be at A. So it's about a full turn from A sharp to A on this guitar. Not all guitars are the same. And if you have a new guitar, the strings will stretch and they'll lose. You might have to retune it every day. Okay, there's our A. Good. Eddie, 8, Dynamite. D is our 3rd note that we're going to tune. That's a metal string. String number 4 if you count up from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is D, Dynamite. D, and what are we at? Oh, I'm just under D. So it's only going to take a little bit. Let's see. Okay, that's making it go do. It's making it go lower, so we got to go do, back up to the D. Do. And there's our D. Right up and down on the green part. Eddie, 8, Dynamite, good. Goodbye, Eddie. So G is going to be 3rd string. 1, 2, 3. That's our G. Let me play it. See what we're at. Ooh, it's on F sharp. So E, F, F sharp, G. So G is next. So this means we need to go up higher to G. And that sounds like it's going lower. Do. Back up to G. Turn it the other way. There's our G. Now, however, if it was too high, if it was on A, what you would want to do is turn it so it goes lower, and it's going to make it go down through the red to lower it back down to G, G sharp. There's A, Now we're on G sharp. Got to keep going because we want goodbye, Eddie. G. G, G, G. Keep going. And there's our G. Maybe a little bit more. There's our G. Nice, we got it. Okay, next is goodbye. So this is string number 2. This is a B. Goodbye. Ooh, it's almost right on. Lucky us. After B, there's no B sharp. It goes to C. So if it's too high, it's going to say C. So we would back it down a half turn to get to a B. On your tuner, below a B is going to be A sharp. So if you're seeing an A sharp, then you got to tighten it. You got to go up to the B. There's our B. And the last one is Eddie ate dynamite. Goodbye, Eddie. E is our last one. Okay, so I'm on an E right now. I'm just going to go one direction, half turn. Ooh, down to D sharp. That's not what we want. I went down, so we got to go back up like that. So I tighten the string. Good, it sounds like we're just about right. After E is F. So if you're seeing an F or F sharp or G, then it's too high. These strings can break if you over tighten it, so we got to be extra careful. If you have a question, please leave it in the comment section. There we go, now it's good, yeah. So check out my tutorials. I've got beginner chord tutorials, and I'm beginning to get some song tutorials. So if there's a song that you want to hear, put it in the comment section, let me know. If you had any issues with the tuning process, let me know that too, because I want to make sure that you're getting tuned up so that you're ready to play. So go play some music. This is Oz at Ozzy's Music Academy, your world with more music. Sounds beautiful. Peace. Hey, before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, send this to friends, check out my Facebook page, Instagram, and Patreon. Thanks for joining. Peace. Tuning guitar tutorial in learning videos. Saved. Okay. GarageBand.